Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is more of like an update video of what's been going on. So I've just been waiting for parts for the Supra, and I really couldn't install the motor in here yet, but we kind of got some of the major part from Drift Motion. So, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to do an ABS delete. I'm still kind of in between that, but I'm not too sure yet. But we got some parts. I got them today. I already took them out of the box. I didn't want to do like an unboxing for this update. So I'll come show you guys here all the parts I got. I've been waiting for like almost over a couple months here. But they came in today. So basically, here's everything. Kind of explain what it is here. So we got our intercooler piping, our knockoff HGS blow-off valve. I mean, these things are good if you're running low power, you know, but the real things cost like, I think, $300. So if you guys can see in there. So hopefully this works out well. So like I said, all in intercooler piping. We got our clamps, and we have this gasket here. This is for the shifter. So it was leaking around that area, so I had to get a new one. Here's the part number. This was from, there are a lot of planes that's going around, but this is from Drift Motion that I ordered all of these things from. So our gasket here for our downpipe, the calipers, and this downpipe we have here. So this will fit in our MK3, but we once we get it installed, I have to just tow this to a shop, and then I have to like cut around, I'm saying here, around here, to then extend it a little bit so it can connect all the way down. But it's pretty good downpipe, and it's way cheaper than getting one made. I had one made for the Supra, same design and everything, cost me about like $800. I don't know if I got ripped off or not, but yeah, $800 basically for the downpipe, and it came out nice, but like I said, very expensive. So this is really nice V-band. So, and you know, with our turbo, we can rotate it, so there's a lot of play with it, which is good. So we can adjust this to the right angle when it's time to extend it and make sure everything lines up good. And of course, we have our intercooler here, big boy. So this will fit. I have the brackets to get it done, so I have to get started on getting our motor in, which is why I was waiting for this. And for this power steering line, so I can have access down there without having to like strain myself. And so we're gonna have a couple videos coming up where we try to install all of this stuff, and I also have a couple other parts that's on the way for the Supra, like suspension. And then you know, once everything is done there, we get the motor in, everything hooked up, we can I'm waiting for the radiator as well. We can go ahead and tow the car and start working on our harness next. Once we get the harness done, then it's just seeing how healthy the motor is, if it starts, if it runs, or if there's any problem with it. So, you know, that's the update I wanted to give you guys. You know, thank you for still waiting and hanging in there, but we're gonna start this week, start getting some videos on installing our motor, installing our intercooler, installing everything completely, and then we'll move on to our suspension, and then, you know, last but not least will be harness, and then body and wheels, and have fun after that. So thank you guys. I'll catch you soon. You guys have a good one. Be safe. Peace.